As a manager approaching your first season here in the Midwest League and with the Tin Caps, what's your approach to this team, and what are you telling some of the young guys to get them ready for full season in the Midwest League?
You know what? We'll set out with our usual goals. We're out there to develop, and along the way, hopefully win some baseball games. A lot of these young guys are going to have challenges dealing with, everything from living away from home to, getting to and from the ballpark as well as on field. So, we're just trying to get them comfortable right now, and hopefully we'll hit the ground running on Thursday.
When you take a look at this lineup, last year when the Tin Caps came in, everybody looked at the starting pitching and said, wow, okay, this is what's going to carry the team. You look at your lineup now, and that on paper looks like the strength of this club. How do you approach that, and how do these hitters approach the season, knowing that, not that it's going to be on their shoulders, but that they're viewed as one of the strengths of this club?
You know what? We're not really going to get into that too much with them. It's all about them going out there and taking it one pitch at a time, one at-bat and one inning. And, we'll line them up, and hopefully they'll be in good situations. But you know what? That's not really how we set things out. We'll go out and approach every game the same way, and play a good quality ball game.
Walker Weichel obviously had some success here last year, finished very well. Have you decided on an opening day starter or on what your rotation is yet?
It will be Walker Weichel on Thursday night. He will start. Returning guy, very professional, knows what he's doing on the mound. So we'll look to him on Thursday, get us off to a good start.
Last year, he had guys like Joe Ross and Max Fried being a first-rounder, 7th overall pick, to kind of work behind. This year, he's kind of the front of the staff. So what have you seen from him as a leader going forward to this season?
Watching his games in spring training, like I said, he's very professional. He prepared himself well. He went out there and took the mound with a professional approach and had a really good, oh man, you might want to edit that. Really, he was really professional the way he went about things, and he knew what he was doing on the mound. So we'll look to him to lead us there, and he's prepared for it. I think everything he does is preparing for success.
Mallex Smith, obviously, we got to know him last year, 64 stolen bases, best in the Midwest League. What does it mean to have a catalyst like him at the top of your lineup?
Yeah, that'll be great. He'll lead the way from the top again. He may not be here too long, but we'll see what happens there, obviously. We'll look to him. He'll get on base and do his thing like he does. Hopefully he'll lead the way for some of these young guys in their first full season.
Obviously, a lot of local people know Josh Van Meter, have seen him come up, win a state championship not too far outside of Fort Wayne. What have you seen from him, and what can you expect from him, knowing that he's an intense guy? He's going to put a little bit of pressure on himself, knowing that he's playing in front of friends and family.
Yeah, I'm sure that additional pressure of being at home, dealing with friends, family, and of course the media, that's all pressure he puts on himself. We approach it as, hey, go out there, do your thing. He's a great young player. He knows what he's doing. He'll deal with his challenges, of course, like any player, but hopefully all those things just fall into place and he can go out and play some great baseball.
We've known him primarily here as a shortstop, but it sounds like he's making more of a transition to second base. Is that correct? And what do you foresee his role being, perhaps, as the season goes along?
You know what? He'll start at second base. He'll get a couple of games a week over at shortstop, so he'll learn and develop both sides of the base over there in the middle. I think he'll be a guy that can move around the order. He can handle the bat. He can do a lot of things. So, it'll be a good year for him.
Final question, just your overall outlook for this team here in 2014 and what you're trying to accomplish.
You know what? We're out here first and foremost to play quality baseball, develop players, and along the way, hopefully win some ball games as well. But, it's a young team that'll go through challenges, and, hopefully when it all comes out, it'll be a good season for everyone.
All right.